Thank you for visiting Wealthy Coins again. Last but not least, the CEO of Shiba Inu has warned you before SHIB updates. Shiba Inu, the second most valuable dog-themed meme coin in the world according to market value, is an ERC20 token that resides on the Ethereum blockchain. Over the past several days, it has been consolidating around the range of 0.000011 to $0.00001150. The 50-day moving average of SHIB is just above $0.00001115, which keeps it from advancing higher. The 21, 100, and 200 DMAs all keep pulling the price action in the same direction. This video will discuss the most recent warning issued by the CEO of Shiba Inu. SHIB News has previously warned you. If you want to see more videos like this one where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inu, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video and give it a thumbs up. Now let's get the video started. Even while SHIB's trading volume has been heading upwards as of late, there are those who believe it might soon explode in price. Even before the day came to a close, SHIB trade volumes across exchanges reached a remarkable $420 million on Wednesday, according to statistics gathered from CoinGecko. That follows Tuesday's trade volumes, which hit a new record near $600 million, not seen since mid-March. Strong price performance and a steady increase in SHIB trading volumes have been going on since the beginning of the year. Annual growth for Shiba Inu is close to 40%. From its earlier yearly highs in the $0.000016 level, SHIB is still down about 30% despite the good performance at the start of the year. Last month, SHIB managed to break out of its downward trend and reach a new high. Its recent yearly highs could be retested if it manages to break out of its cloud of major moving averages, which are still serving as a drag, and rise above the support-turned-resistance in the mid-0.40000011. Having a Shiba Inu as Twitter's emblem should be seen as a positive thing. Hope for the future of the Shiba Inu ecosystem is a good candidate for optimism pumping. Some serious development on SHIB, the metaverse, will be visible to you in the next weeks. Lucy, a prominent Shiba Inu advocate, tweeted Tuesday that Marcy Jastro, leader of the Shiba Inu metaverse development team, just sent a post on the Shiba Inu community's Discord channel. Shiba Inu's latest beta release, Shibarium, is an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution. Its goal is to reduce transaction costs and lay the groundwork for a Shiba Inu-centric Web3 ecosystem, all while leveraging the consensus layer's inherent security. Major SHIB whales seem to be clinging onto their tokens and refusing to give up, even if SHIB has taken a significant tumble from its earlier yearly highs in the $0.000016 region. The amount of transactions being undertaken by the top 100 Shiba Inu whales has dropped to around 0 each day since mid-February. From the 100s before, according to on-chain data provided by Whale Stats. What this means is that whales still feel strongly about it. It is unrealistic to expect SHIB to double from where it is now, at least in the near future. If Shiba Inu's stock price increased sevenfold, its market valuation would skyrocket to over $47 billion. Finally, SHIB reached a new all-time high somewhere around $0.000088. Losing $0 and increasing SHIB's market cap to more than $65 billion would be the result of 10 times gains. If the U.S. Federal Reserve plans to cut interest rates significantly later this year to prevent a U.S. bank crisis-induced recession, and the Shiba Inu team keeps adding new features to the Web3 project's ecosystem, SHIB could easily double in value in the coming years. The biggest ship whale is buying the drop as Shiba Inu is failing to break the crucial resistance level of $0.00001152 on the one-day chart. According to crypto tracking service Whale Stats, the grandfather of the Shiba Inu, known as Blue Whale 0073, has been on a purchasing binge for the past 3 days. In a single transaction yesterday, Blue Whale 0073 acquired 148.78 billion ships, which is around $1.65 million. According to Whale Stats, the 254th biggest Ethereum whale purchased 229.96 billion SHB, which is equivalent to around $2.58 million not long ago on April 4. Accordingly, the whale has spent an astounding 378.74 billion SHB or $4.23 million on Shiba Inus in the past 72 hours. However, despite the mysterious SHB investors' buying pressure, SHB has failed to rise in response to market trends. However, Ethereum whales are still holding out hope that SHB's price will continue to rise. Whale Data stated in their most recent update around the end of March that among ETH whales, SHB is the second most popular investment, behind stablecoins. A request was made to Shiba Inu founder Ryoshi by the SHB army at SHB 0.01, which dates back to the beginning of the breed. After that, it went to Satoshi, and the two visionaries were both aware that exponential SHB burns would eventually be available through Shibarium. Not everyone will understand Shibarium's full potential until it's implemented, but Koyo token has shown the way. However, the 6.1 billion SHIB tokens burned by Koyo token in March alone are not related to the 2% tax SHIB burn automated by the Koyo smart contract. Rather, they are related to what Koyo founder Kentaro revealed on Medium. A significant burn is predicted in the next days, so the volume is expected to be billions of dollars. Anticipate payouts in the millions of dollars, and hence anticipate SHB burns in the millions, with burns occurring continuously. Many have questioned the feasibility of the idea. To put it in perspective, there are currently 589,542,816,415,703 SHB in circulation, and the market cap is 6,480,338,680. It would take the burning of 588 trillion SHB tokens, or 99.99% of the total supply, to reach the goal of a SHB of 1 cent. At the present price of 0.00001095, there are 649,038,346 SHB available for consumption, leaving a total supply of 589 trillion. It would yield 1 cent at the present market valuation of $6,452 million. To begin accomplishing such a massive goal would necessitate the realization of the Ryoshi to Satoshi vision of Shibarium, which is beyond the scope of Koyo token trading and financial service platforms' current endeavors. Let us shift our attention to the positive future of Koyo token now. The platform's volume projection is in the billions of dollars. With $1 billion in monthly trading volume, they could generate over $20 million in suwayo revenue if they were to use ordinary transaction fees in addition to borrowing costs on perpetual trading platforms. A monthly loss of SHB worth conservatively $10 million might be the outcome of this. When extrapolated over the following 12 months, this amounts to an annual burn of $120 million worth of SHB. The yearly burning of around 10,989 billion SHB tokens. Next, we must think about whether Shibarium will spend 70% of its transaction fee money. Based on the amount of money flowing into and out of the Koyo trading and financial service platform as confirmed by Kentaro through his Medium, a trustworthy buddy would never engage in competitive tactics with its